Across the Charles River from Boston, the city of Cambridge, Massachusetts is the home of historic Harvard University. Known for cultivating leadership and innovation, when Harvard made plans to renovate several campus dormitory buildings, they turned to Lee Kennedy Company and another major general contractor. Gore Hall and Standish Hall were built more than a century ago, using flooring materials and techniques that presented unique challenges to the project. Lee Kennedy partnered with flooring contractor Allegheny Contract, New England's exclusive applicator of the Laticrete Supercap system. With the building's gutted floor to ceiling, the walking and work surfaces were unsafe. Even the basic need to bring materials and equipment into the workspaces was extremely challenging. In every challenge, there's an opportunity. And on this project, it was the perfect opportunity to demonstrate the power of the Laticrete Supercap pump system.
We're standing here at Harvard University. We've got two dormitories that were built back in the early 1900s. One was approximately 100,000 square feet, the other one was about 75,000 square feet.
Supercap came to us through Allegheny during pre-construction because we have a very challenging substrate here. It's a cinder fill, terracotta slab cinder fill. We were challenged with how to create a bond between that substrate and this product. So we partnered up with Allegheny. We did some pull tests during pre-construction, and they really helped us along through every aspect of it.
Total renovation. They took out all the existing flooring, all the walls, brought it down basically back to the original structure.
Because of the substrate we were attaching to, it wasn't a very safe. It was a very uneven surface of the existing slabs.
There's absolutely no elevators, there's no access into the building other than walls and some open windows. So the truck allowed us to pump all the material into the building without having to physically bring small bags into the building through a window.
The mixing truck is mobile, so he's only here when we need him, and he can leave. Once we set up an area for them to mix, they do their work. It's a one-day operation, and then they leave.
Well, Supercap is a proven game changer. It allowed us to pour up to 15,000 square feet at a single pour at very deep thickness. I mean, we were pouring up to an inch, inch and a quarter, maybe even an inch and a half on the first pour, and then capping it with a half inch. So on the second cap, or the second pour, the cap, we were able to do that in less than half a shift.
The benefit of the Supercap system is that I, as the contractor, had to keep up with the floor prep.
After we capped the floor and we met the tolerance, we surveyed it, pinned it, and then capped it. The trays were on the floor the next day, going about their business and continuing on with the schedule.
Supercap was poured in 2 lifts, and then right afterwards, the trays were on it the next day working. So it really helped with our schedule. Comparatively to some other products we looked at, had a 3 or 4 day turnaround time.
From a safety standpoint, Supercap was able to be mixed outside, which prevents any sort of silica dust inside the building.
So nothing is introduced to the workspace where other trades or our workers are exposed to silica dust. The Supercap system already meets the OSHA regulations for silica exposure, even for the 2017 regulations.
I would absolutely recommend Allegheny as well as the Supercap system to other trades.
This is probably our 6th or 7th project at Harvard that we've done with the Supercap system, ranging from the business school, the Fog Museum, and obviously the dormitories that we're doing now. There's 8 more that are coming up that are going to give us some huge opportunities because Harvard has seen what we're able to deliver as far as quality, speed, and the workmanship.
The product has turned out absolutely wonderful. We've gotten many compliments about the finished product.
I think it's a great system. It's really helped us out here in all aspects of the project, and I would recommend it.